Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. So today's recipe is going to be one of the easiest cookie recipe that you might have ever come across. We are going to bake raisin and oats cookies. So you collect all the ingredients at room temperature, mix them together, shape the cookies and bake. That's it, they are done. And they are very rich in fiber because we are using oats and not oatmeal. The cookies are really very flavorful. They have a chewy texture, little bit crispy on the outside, and inside they are soft and nice, flavorful, rich. You're surely going to love them. So let's go and bake the raisin and oat cookies. To make the cookies, we'll require oats 2 cups, all-purpose flour or maida half cup, organic jaggery half cup. You may also use brown sugar or normal sugar. Raisins half cup, 1 egg, and olive oil half cup. You can use any vegetable oil also that has no smell, or even butter. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon powder half teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Now let's proceed with the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, break the egg. Whisk it well. You can do it with a fork or you can use a balloon whisk. Since it's only 1 egg, I'm using the fork. Now this is done. Add the vanilla essence first. Then next goes the soda, baking soda, salt, cinnamon powder, raisins, flour. You can also replace this by whole wheat flour, organic jaggery, and oil. Now mix all these things together with a spatula. Mix it for a couple of minutes until everything is blended together. Now add half the portion of the oats so that slowly we can mix everything well. The list of ingredients and the detailed recipe is also available in my website. I'm sharing the link below in the description box. You can check it out for your reference. Also check out my other videos of Ragi cookies and emoji cookies. Emoji cookies are good for kids' parties. Now add the remaining oats. Keep mixing. We have to see that all the ingredients are well mixed together. Now finally you can do this job with your hand. Lightly you can knead everything together so that you can make the cookies easily. Now everything is mixed in very well. To check, you take a little portion and try to form a lump, which means the thing is ready to make the cookies. Now take a little portion and shape a cookie. Just make any shape, round, square, whatever you like. We can do the job with the hand itself. We don't need any cookie cutters for this since the mixture is quite coarse. This way, make all the cookies and line them up on a parchment paper or a silicone mat in a baking tray. So now all the cookies are done. Meanwhile, preheat the oven. Now the cookies go into the oven. Bake them at 200 degrees C for about 10 to 12 minutes. Cookies are done, ready, baked and out. You have to cool them well before removing them from the tray, because these cookies have a softer texture. They might break if you pick them up when they are hot. After cooling down, they become little firm and crispy on the outside, but the inside remains nice and chewy. Delicious cookies are ready. Let's check how they have come out. Nice and crunchy texture on the outside. They look nice and rich, isn't it? Each bite is loaded with a sweet burst of the raisins. I'm sure you're going to love them. Very healthy cookies, you must give them a try. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. You may also check out these videos in case you have missed them. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.